Assalamu alaikum. I am Sadia Khanum. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. Today we are going to start a new topic which is volume. Okay, first of all, what is volume? Volume is the quantity that all three-dimensional object has. It is the space occupied by an object. Okay, so now let's see the unit of volume and relation between the unit. Okay, so let us now learn the unit of measurement of volume. Okay, the smallest unit of the measurement is 1 milliliter. So 10 milliliters is equals to 1 centiliter. 10 centiliters is equals to 1 deciliter. 10 deciliters is equals to 1 liters. 10 liters is equals to 1 decaliter. 10 decaliters is equals to 1 hectoliter. 10 hectoliters is equals to 1 kiloliter. So, this system of measurement is called the metric system. Students, can you now tell me all the unit of volume from the smallest to the largest? Yes, they are milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, liter, decaliter, hectoliter and kiloliter. Okay, so here if we divide a smaller unit by 10 at every step, it is converted to a larger unit. So we can say that milliliter divided by 10 will give centiliter. Centiliter divided by 10 will give deciliter. Deciliter divided by 10 will give liter. Liter divided by 10 will give decaliter. Decaliter divided by 10 will give hectoliter. And hectoliter divided by 10 will give kiloliter. Yes. Students, can you tell me how to convert a larger unit into a smaller unit? It's very simple. We have to multiply a larger unit by 10 at every step to get the smaller unit. Okay, so kiloliter multiplied by 10 will give hectoliter. Hectoliter multiplied by 10 will give decaliter. Decaliter multiplied by 10 will give liter. Liter multiplied by 10 will give deciliter. Deciliter multiplied by 10 will give centiliter. Centiliter multiplied by 10 will give milliliter. Is it clear to you? Here we have another two formulas. They are 1 liter is equals to 1000 cubic centimeters and 1 liter is equals to 1 cubic meter. Now, I am going to show you how can you answer the fill in the blanks. Okay. So, here is our first question. 4050 liter is equals to dash kiloliter dash decaliter. Okay, so we will convert 4050 liter into kiloliter and decaliter. Okay, so let's solve it. First of all, we will divide 4050 by 1000. To get kiloliter. Since we know that 1 liter is equals to 1 by 1000 kiloliter. Okay. So now we will solve this in our graph. Here we can take 4 times of 1000, which is 4000, and subtraction result is 50. So 4 will be kiloliter and remainder 50 will be liter. So 4 kiloliter plus 50 liter. Okay, we get already kiloliter. Now we will convert 50 liter into decaliter. Okay, so 4 kiloliter plus 50 divided by 10 decaliter. Because we know that 1 liter is equals to 1 by 10 decaliter. Okay, so 4 kiloliter plus 50 divided by 10, you know that 5 decaliter. Now we get our result, and so that we can remove the addition sign. So we get 4 kiloliter and 5 decaliter. So here is our answer. So this is the answer. Students, here is the second question. Write greater than or less than in the blank box. Okay, so here we have to put greater than or less than. Here we have 6350 decaliter and 2 kiloliter. First of all, we have to convert this or convert this into a same unit. Look, here we can easily convert 2 kiloliter into decaliter. Okay, so here 2 kiloliter is equals to 2 multiplied by 100 decaliter. Since we know that 1 kiloliter is equals to 100 decaliter. Okay, so here we have 200 decaliter. Okay, so here we convert 2 kiloliter into decaliter. Now we have the same unit. So now since we have the same unit, so we can easily compare them. Okay, so 6350 decaliter and 200 decaliter. Okay, which one is bigger or smaller? Look, here 6350 decaliter is bigger than 200 decaliter. So we can write this. Okay, so since 200 decaliter is smaller than 650 decaliter, so we can also easily say that 2 kiloliter is smaller than 6350 decaliter. So our answer is 6350 decaliter is greater than 2 kiloliter. Okay? Students, this is the third question. 325 centiliter minus 12.5 centiliter. Okay, we have to subtract them, and also we have to convert them into liter and milliliter. Okay, first of all, we will subtract them. If we subtract them in our rough, 325.0, 12.5. Here we have 312.5 centiliter. Now we will convert it into milliliter. Okay, so 312.5 multiplied by 10 milliliter. Since 1 centiliter is equals to 10 milliliter. Okay, Okay, now if we multiply 312.5 by 10, decimal point will move one digit right. Okay, so 3125 decimal point will be there and we can avoid the decimal point here. So 3125 milliliter. We get milliliter and now we have to convert it into liter. Okay, so 3125 by 1000 liter. Here we divided by 1000 because we know that 1 milliliter is equals to 1 by 1000 liter. Okay, now let's solve it into the rough. Here we can take 3 times of 1000, which is 3000, and subtraction result is 125. So 3 will be liter and remainder 125 will remain milliliter. Okay, so 3 liter 125 milliliter. Look, here we already converted into liter and milliliter. So now we can avoid the addition sign. So this is our answer, 3 liter 125 milliliter. Students, here is our fourth question, which is word problem. A can contains 250 milliliter of orange juice. When we buy 40 cans of this orange juice, how many liters of orange juice will we have? Look very carefully here. 1 can contains 250 milliliter of orange juice and we have to buy 40 cans of this orange juice. Here 1 cans and 40 cans. 40 is more bigger than 1. So here we have to multiply them. So there is juice of 1 can is equals to 250 milliliter. Therefore, there is juice of 40 can is equals to 250 multiplied by 40 milliliter. And if you multiply them, you get the result. You will get the result 10,000 milliliter. Okay, now we can see in the question how many liters of orange juice will we have. So here we have to find liter, amount of orange juice into liters. But we get in milliliter. So we will convert 10,000 milliliter into liter. So we have to divide 10,000 by 1000. Since we know that 1 milliliter is equals to 1 by 1000 liter. Okay, so here we can cut the 0 from here, 3 zeros, we get 10 liter. So our answer is 10 liter. Now try to solve the math from your lecture sheet. I am signing off today. Allah Hafiz.